Now let us discuss about sun. We all know that sun is a huge ball of fire. Sun is the main source of energy. Sun gives us heat and light. We are all familiar with these sentences. Am I right? Yes. Let's learn some of the important facts about sun. Sun is the star situated in the center of the solar system. We all know that. It's nothing new. Now, sun is also called as a ball of fire. Am I right? But it is actually burning gases, and its major constituents are hydrogen and helium gas. It is also 100 times, that means its size. I am telling about the size of the sun. It's 109 times that of the earth. The next point is the weight of the sun. It is almost 330,000 times that of the earth. That means it is 99.86 of the total mass of the solar system. Now you can imagine how big the star is. So once again, so let's recollect some of the points which we have learned. First one is, it is a star that is situated at the center of the solar system. So just think about it. Then we learned that it is a this thin layer is known as corona. Okay, and the inner part we call it as core. So okay, so the sun is having a thin layer, it is called as corona, and the inner part it is called as core. Now we know that the major constituents of gases are hydrogen and helium. Here what happens is hydrogen is converted into helium, and during this process heat plus light is produced. What it is? Heat and light energy is produced when hydrogen gets converted into helium. This heat plus light energy is what we call as solar energy. What it is? It is solar energy. We are all familiar with this term. Am I right? You know, all life exists because of this, or all life depends on solar energy. The temperature around the surface of the sun is nearly 6,000 degrees Celsius. Can you imagine? It is 6,000 degrees Celsius. That's why we call sun as a huge ball of fire. So let's have a look once again. Imagine this as a sun. It consists of thin layer called corona and its inner part is called as core. Here what happens? The hydrogen gas is converted into helium and during this process heat and light energy is produced. And this heat and light energy is known as solar energy. Okay? And the temperature around the surface of the sun is nearly 6000 degree Celsius.
Hello students. Today we are going to learn about the most important star, and that is Sun. Sun is also known as the largest star. Sun is an extremely hot sphere which is mainly made up of gas and is continuously shining brightly. It is bigger and brighter than any other star. It is also close to our planet. That is, it is the only star which is close to our planet. The sun is in the center of the system and all planets revolve around it, and that is why it is called as solar system. Sun is composed of gases, mainly hydrogen, then helium, and many other gases such as carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. It transmits so much energy when hydrogen gets converted into helium. A very large amount of heat and light energy is released during this process. It is said that the temperature on the surface of the sun is nearly 6000 degrees Celsius. Energy released by the sun is called as solar energy, which all living things ultimately depend on.